So welcome to this week's Outfits of the Week. This week I am visiting London and Leeds. So these are some of the outfits I wore. The weather was definitely a little warmer in London. So I put together some looks and we'll go through them. So today I'm wearing this blouse that I thrifted, I think last year. And I really love the collar on it. My glasses are from Ganni. I got them in the sale a while ago and I think they bring a lot to an outfit. These shoes are Orla Kylie, and the maxi skirt, I don't know if it's branded, but it's just a thrifted one. I also have on my little bag that I got in Pull & Bear for keeping my phone in, and then I just have a cap for putting on too. So that was my outfit for my first day in London. It was really warm, especially down on the underground. And this is one of my charms that I made for my brand. And I just have that attached to my bag that I got a while back. And then this is the next day. So I only had a small suitcase going over, so a lot of the stuff will be repeated, but I have the same glasses on as yesterday. The skirt that I have on is also thrifted. I really liked the print on it, and I'm glad I brought it because it brought something kind of new to the outfit. These shoes are from ASOS. I think I got them last year maybe. And I think it was quite fun, and that's what I was going for. And then the next day I have on this blazer with my Simone Rocha dress that I actually found in a charity shop a while back, and I was shocked because I know that this collection on H&M sold out really fast, so I was delighted to get that. And then my clips in my hair I got in America. I can't remember the name of the shop that I got them in though, but they have little gummy bears on them. They're really cute. And then again I have on my Orla Kylie shoes. And today I was going off to see an exhibition, so I kind of wanted to wear something nice. And also it was warm enough to wear it too. So here is the dress in action.
We will shortly be arriving at Leeds, where we finish our journey today.
And then the next day I was travelling to Leeds, so just got the train from London to there. I didn't get much footage, but I'll include what I got. And most of these videos I was taking from my TikTok. I do like outfits of the day there, so if you want kind of more up-to-date content, you can follow me there. But this was the outfit I wore the first day, so I have on those ASOS shoes, the maxi skirt that I had on the first day in London. This sequin top is, I think it's originally from Zara, but I thrifted that a while back, and I have it kind of tucked up into my bra just to kind of make it look more like a cropped top. And then my bag is APC, and my glasses I think are ASOS as well. I kind of wish I got two pairs because they're one of my favorite ones, and if I break them I'll be devastated. And then this peach blouse was thrifted a while back. And then here is just a close-up of my bag. I've been adding so much charms and key rings. Every time I go away now, I try and get a key ring from where I've been, as well as a cap. And then I've just added my charm, which I still have loads of charms online. If you wanted to look on my website, you can find them. And then this is just to show you what the outfit looked like when I wore the blouse over, and then I have my cap on and a kind of a jumper around my shoulders. So this is kind of for like later in the evening. I would kind of add the jumper and the peach blouse to the look. And then lastly, I've got this look with these long denim shorts and this green top that I thrifted a while back. It's, I think, originally from River Island, but I don't really have many green things in my wardrobe, and I like kind of playing around with the really bright green colour and seeing what colours to kind of match that with. So this is quite a short outfits of the week this week. I hope you enjoyed what I wore when I was travelling. I suppose when you're away, you're a bit more limited because you can only really wear what's in your suitcase, so I kind of limited myself to 2 pairs of shoes and a few skirts and worked with that. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.